We'll see how we can create an account on Omlet Arcade. So this is an app which is available on Android and iOS. You can stream, meet, and play, as it's saying. So we'll see how we can create this account. Omlet Arcade is the easiest way to live stream and record all your favorite games, including Minecraft, Flash Royale. Okay. So just browse through this website. I'll drop this link in the description. arcade.omlet.me, and if you see here, you can find an option called guest here. So click on guest to create a new account on this, and you need to choose your ID. So this is the registration form to create an account. So if you already have an account, you can log in directly here. So I'm just creating, and choose the password, confirm your password. Email, it is optional and you can give it. I'm giving it. So once you fill this form, you can click on this forward symbol. Okay, Omlet ID is already exists, so I need to change it because this is unique ID. Invalid password. Okay, I need to enter the password again. So a verification email sent to the following. Please check it within 24 hours. Okay, I'll check it anyway. Click on the forward symbol. So here, this is the profile what I have created on Arcade Omelette, and this is my mail. I can check the confirmation link and click on that to verify my mail. So in the update section, I got this mail here. By clicking on the verification link, my process of creating an account on Omelette Arcade will be completed. And this all took just in a minute, and it's very easy. Just filling your unique ID, choosing a password, and entering your email. That's it. You can log in with the same on the application, means whether it may be an Android application or iOS application, you can log in with the same password. Your account was activated. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.